grilled pineapple salsa. You can put this with anything, chicken, fish, beef, poultry. You can put this here even on a toast with some avocado, if you like, with some eggs. It's all good, it's all good. So check this out, this is how we're gonna do this. I've got me some grilled pineapple that was grilled on here. Got that smoky flavor and I got that nice charred taste to it and look to it. So what we're gonna do is some this. We got some bell peppers, some red and green bell peppers. We got some diced onions. Beautiful. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this pineapple and we're gonna dice it up to add to the party. Perfect. So what we're gonna do followed with this, we're gonna season it up with a little bit of oil. There we go. A little touch of oil. A little touch of honey. If you like some avocado, we can add some avocado to this as well. And then we're gonna always need some citrus. So I'm gonna put some lime juice inside of this. Perfect. Let me add one more. Ah, yes. And for more color and a little bit of flavor, let's chop some parsley to go along with it. Some rough chopped parsley. There we go. Mix it up. Ah, look how beautiful this looks. Grilled pineapple salsa. That's all there is to it. If you like cilantro, you can add some cilantro. If you like it a little spicy, you can add some jalapeno peppers as well. Ah, beautiful. Looks good. Let me give a taste. Yo, fresh. That's all there is to it. Give this thing a shot. Oh my gosh. Cheers.